Good morning. It's Monday, June 22nd, 2015. UPB OptionMillionaires.com. S&P 500 futures moving higher this morning as the Greek debt crisis has been resolved, or at least rumored to be resolved, or at least rumored to be worked on to get resolved, something like that. The market seems to like it. Again, heading into today's trading session, we were moving higher. We pulled back late Friday, but guess what? S&P 500 futures here came up to that level overnight, pulling back. But look at this candle here. Another resolution rumor. And this is going to send S&P 500 futures up to new all-time record highs? Question mark? Possibly? Period? Exclamation point? Look, here we go. Not that far. Continuation to get up past record highs on S&P 500 futures. Speaking of record highs, look at the small cap. The IWM Russell 2000 ETF. Look at that. We're up at record highs. And guess where we are? Pre-market, we're up here, 128 and change. The 120 level has worked like magic this year, 2015. And despite the grind that we've been seeing in the broader indices, the S&P 500 ETF, look at this, came up to support. We look poised to break out here for the S&P 500. Wow! Go figure. Let's look at a couple other ETFs here. IBB, which is the biotech. I was talking about this wonderful megaphone topping pattern that was coming into play and looking for a move down to 320. And sure enough, we get another move right to the upside. Yeah, that's what it makes so difficult fighting the trend in this marketplace. You can look at any kind of bearish pattern that's formed over the last 5 years. Head and shoulders top, double top, triple top. It doesn't seem to matter in this market where prices just seem to keep heading higher. So why fight it? So we look for biotech to continue to break out. And you can look a nice consolidation here, a bull flag, and it's over 380 here. Pre-market, another stock that really looks like something you want to short, but just continues to head to the upside. Netflix. Look at a long-term chart perspective here for Netflix, and look at the breakout we have. Consolidating here, upgraded now, a target of 900 from an analyst this morning, and we had the consolidation over the last year and a half. Break out of it on earnings. Wow, $900 a share. This is something in the 50s that nobody wanted to buy, and seemingly now everybody wants to buy it up here. Sounds a lot like the marketplace that we trade in these days. We have a downgrade for Priceline this morning. That's something to keep an eye on. We can hit the bottom of this channel. All right, some morning market minutes. It's been a little over a minute. I'll get in more detail later market video, but for now, S&P 500 futures continue to rally pre-market. Look at this spike. We continue to head to the upside, almost up to the overnight highs. It keeps going, going. All right, UPB. I'll see you in the chat room at OptionMillionaires.com. Everyone have a great trading day. Goodbye.